guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shuri if you're new. In today's video, I'm giving you guys my nighttime routine slash I guess after work routine. Here I am getting ready to go to the gym. I usually try to go to the gym right after work so that I'm not like hanging around the apartment and I get tired. I'm showing you guys that I bring sour belts in my gym bag to the gym because I always need a little extra bump of energy, and I think I was working legs this day, so I definitely needed that. Also put water in my backpack so that I have water at the gym. I'm here finishing up some cereal because I usually just like to have something small after work before I go to the gym. So here I am just getting ready to go work out. Like I said, I'm hitting legs today, so I'm ready to go. I'm very fortunate that my gym is in my apartment, so I don't have to like go back out or anything like that or commute to the gym, which is super nice. Love having the gym in my apartment. So off to the gym we go. Like I said, it was leg day. This was like my last exercise for leg day, which is going to be some sumo squats. It was the only footage that I got because I completely forgot that I was filming for YouTube as well, and I was also filming for Instagram, so I apologize for not putting more of my workout in there. But if you would like to see my workout videos, follow me on my Instagram at Fitness with Shuri, and you can see them all there. Now back in my apartment, I usually come back to my apartment to do most of my stretching, especially after leg day, just because I like to just be comfortable and take my shoes off, and I can't really do it in the gym, and I just like to have a little corner to myself, so I just come back to my apartment and just do my stretching there. Really highly recommend stretching, especially after a leg day. I can't tell you how much better it makes me feel and less sore that I feel when I stretch thoroughly. So I stretch for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how I'm feeling. If I'm rushing throughout my nighttime routine, then maybe I'll cut it back to 15 minutes, but get a nice little stretch in so that I feel better the next day, because I have to stand all day for work as well. So I don't want to be standing there and like I just feel so much ache in my body. It's just not helpful for me. So I always make sure that I stretch very well after my workout. And then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the shower. There's nothing like taking a really nice shower after a long day at work at the hospital and then also working out. Just love to get in the shower after that. So, but before I shower, I'm gonna actually go ahead and do my hair, because I washed my hair the night before and I was super lazy that I didn't do anything to my hair. I just like put it in 2 braids like before I even got out of the shower, and I didn't put any products or anything in there, no oil, nothing. So I'm just gonna take my wig off and just go ahead and take out the 2 braids that I already have and just go ahead and use some product in my hair and like detangle a little bit more, because I just didn't really do any of that. I literally washed my hair in the shower and then just put it in 2 braids and walked out of the shower, and that was it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I just have like a spray bottle with water and coconut oil, and then I'm using for moisturizer the Cantu curling cream, I believe. That's what I currently have right now. And then just a wide tooth comb, and that's pretty much what I use for my hair. So after I'm done with my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and just take off my like eyeliner and eyebrow product that I have from the day. I usually don't wear any like face product or anything like that. I just usually do like eyeliner And for my face wash today, I'm going to be using La Roche-Posay with a little scrubby face thing that I got from TJ Maxx, which is super helpful, by the way, because I feel like it gets off all the dirt from my skin, because I've been toning lately and my cotton pad has been coming back with stuff on it, and I'm like, I don't like that. So I've been using this little sponge that's been super helpful in getting off everything off my face. And La Roche-Posay is a very gentle cleanser, which I love. And to shower, I'm going to be using the Alba Botanica Very Emollient bath and shower gel, and that's the honey mango flavor, which is like super nice. It smells so good. So jumping into my skincare. I haven't been like that great with my skincare routine lately because I've just been so tired, but I make sure like I try to have some time, at least like 2-3 days out of the week, where I really focus on my skincare, and tonight was one of them. So I'm not gonna tell you that this is an every night thing. Like some nights I literally just put on one thing and that's it. And then for like my skincare for my body, I'm just using the Aveeno Stress Relief Lavender Lotion, which is like really helpful. It's like, it actually works. Like I feel very calm whenever I use this lotion. After my shower, I usually go ahead and make dinner. It was my night to make dinner. Daniel and I usually switch off or we cook together. Tonight I was making just some spaghetti and meatballs, or wait, is it meatballs? No, I made spaghetti and ground sausage, which is like a staple in our household. We love that stuff. It's such a quick and easy dinner that I just really, really love it. And I'm having a glass of Prosecco. I don't usually have any alcohol, especially during the week, but we had a bottle of Prosecco opened and I wanted to have some, so I'm just pouring myself a tiny glass of Prosecco. And I just feel like whenever you have pasta too, like you need something. So I'm just gonna have a glass while I cook, and just, I'm not gonna finish it, I'm just gonna have the rest with dinner. And usually Daniel and I, we have dinner and we watch, like an episode of a show that we're currently watching, or catch up on YouTube or something. And then after dinner, we pretty much just hang out for a little bit, and then I leave him and I go ahead and I get ready for bed because I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and he doesn't have to get up for another like 45 minutes after me. So usually by that time I'm gone. So I get into bed a lot earlier than I would like, but I need the sleep. So I start winding down at around 9:30 and I leave him and he plays video games and all that stuff. So go ahead and change the light in the room to some type of blue light. I think blue light helps me wind down a lot better than any other like light. So eventually I will turn off the overhead lights and just go ahead and wind down. Before bed, I like to just play like this like design home game that I really love. It's such a calming game, and I play all these challenges by just like designing different challenges that they create, whether it's like living room stuff, like any little house stuff that you want to design, like living room and stuff. And I really like playing it. It's like super helpful to like wind down after a long day. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for about 15-20 minutes, and then it's usually time for me to go to bed. I try not to be up past 10. The latest that I would go to bed is about 10:15, and then I don't sleep well at all. So I really try to just get this routine down and go to bed on time, because getting up so early is like so annoying. But this is the end of my nighttime routine. It's pretty simple. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!